Now we're going to find the slope when you're given 2 points. So we're going to find the slope of the line passing through 2 points. We're given a point, well, 2 points, 1, 5 and 2, 7. In order to do this, you need the equation to find slope. So we're going to use m equals rise over run, or that also means the change in y divided by the change in x. So we're going to use the formula that we have for that. That's all what this means. M equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Now you might be saying, what does that even mean? So now we're going to apply this to the 2 points that we're given over here, 1, 5 and 2, 7. Now we know that these points are set up x, y, x, y. So we know x comes first, y comes second. Now we're going to number them. This is my first x, this is my second x. This is my first y, this is my second y. So we have x1 and y1, x2 and y2, the first point and the second point. Makes sense. So now from there, we're going to use this formula. So m equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So now I'm going to fill in. So my y2 is 7. So 7 minus my y1, 5, divided by x2 minus x1. So x2 is 2 minus x1 is 1. So I have 7 minus 5, which is 2. And then 2 minus 1, which is 1. So it's just 2 over 1, or 2. So m equals 2. The slope of the line that passes through these 2 points is 2. So that's what we do in order to find the slope when 2 points are given. Now I'll give you another example when we have negatives going on. So now we have negative 1, 5, and then I have 2, negative 7. We'll do it like that. So now that we have some negatives working in there, so let's take that, apply it in our formula, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So now my y2, remember I'm going to label these x1, y1, x2, y2. So y2 minus y1, that's negative 7 minus 5 divided by, then I have my x2, which is 2 minus, and then my x1 is negative, so minus negative 1. So from there I have minus 7, or negative 7 minus 5. Now those are 2 negatives. I'm owing 7, then I'm owing 5 more. So I'm owing 12. Now that's divided by 2 minus negative 1, or 2 and the opposite of negative 1, or negative times negative equals positive. Either way, whichever way you want to look at it, it makes it easier for you. You go that route. So 2 minus negative, or 2 opposite of negative 1, that's positive 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So now my final answer, I have negative 12 divided by 3. That is negative, because opposite signs when you're dividing give you a negative answer. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So your slope, m, is negative 4. That's how you find the slope when you have negatives in those points.